Guys, welcome back to my channel Code by Burns. Today we are going to solve the question next permutation. So in this question what we are given, let's begin. So in this question, a permutation of an array of an integer is an arrangement of its member into a sequence or linear order. Okay. For example, array 1 to 3, the following all the permutations 123, 132, 213. Okay. So the next permutation is the lexicographical greater permutation. It's integer. Okay. So here it is given that if I have given a string like 123 and I have to form all the lexicographical ordering. So what things are going to be its lexical order? 123, 132, 213, 231, 312 and 320. Okay, so these are the ordering in the ordering. Okay, so what we are going to do, if we have to find out the value of this, like 213 is a lexical order. So what we have to find out, we have to find the next value, which is going to be 231. In the example also you can see the next permutation of 231 is 312. Okay, so we have to return the answer. So how can we solve this question? So in order to solve this question, we have three steps. 2 3. So what are those steps? First we will, this is, let's say this is our array. Okay, so we will take a pointer to the last index of the array, and then we will iterate it, and we have to find the value of k or the value of I, such that the value of I plus 1 is greater than I. Okay, this is the condition we have to follow. After we get this condition, what we are going to do, we are going to break it, and after we break it, let's say this is the index we get after this operation. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to take this array only, and we have to compare this to the all the values which are to its left, to its right. Okay, sorry, so all the values to its right, and we have to find out the first value which is greater than this. Like, let's take example, this is 6. Okay, and here we get answer as 8. So what we have to do, this is going to be our second index. So here we find our first index, here we have find our second index. Now what we have to do, we just have to swap it. After the swapping, what we can do, after the swapping, this is going to be the final result, where the element at index 2 is here and element at index 1 is here. Now what we have to do, we have to take this part of the array, and we have to reverse it. Okay, so that's how my answer is done. These are the algorithms which I have to follow. Okay, so these are the steps that I have to keep in mind to solve this question. So let's move to the code. So in order to move this to the code, I have taken this n num dot size k as the pointer and left to the pointer. Now we are iterating from the most left part of the array. Okay, and to find the index 1, this is the code for index 1. Now this is the edge case. This wants to say, like, if I have a stream like 321. Okay, so while this condition always fail for this, so what we are going to do, we know that the lexical order of this string is 123, so it is just reversing it. So that's why I just reverse it if this condition got true. Okay, so after this I have found my index 1. Now I have to find my index 2. As you know that we have to find both of the indexes, so this is the condition for index 2 also. Okay, so after we find index 2, we just break out from the code, and after we break out, what we are going to do, we are just going to swap both our elements that we just find out, both our index that we just find out. After we find after we swap both of the indexes, what we have to do, we just have to reverse it. Okay, we just have to reverse it and we can get our answer. So this is the solution for next permutation. I hope you like my explanation. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you.